Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Oh, so if you ever wanted to know about certifications with HUBZONE, what is it? What do you need? And do you qualify? Very few people, or not a lot of people, know about some of the set-asides, and one of them is HUBZONE. HUBZONE, of course, is an SBA, one of the Small Business Administration set-asides that actually set aside contracts for individuals that are in a certain zone and have certain employees that are in that zone as well. So if you want to know about this set-aside, you may actually be in a HUBZONE and not even know it. Stay tuned. I'm going to share that with you right now. Here we go. So HUBZONE, these are the qualifications. If you can actually look at what do you need in order to qualify as a HUBZONE? Well, you must be a small business according to SBA size standards. So you simply want to look at SBA size standards, and what it gives is what is your particular your NICS code, what is your size standard as well as your business. Then you must be owned 51%, you must be owned by a US citizen, okay? Or a Alaska Native corporation or Hawaiian. You also must have your business, your primary business location in a HUBZONE in order to qualify, which I'm going to show you what that looks like in just a minute. At least 35% of your employees must be in HUBZONEs. Now, a lot of people understand, if I'm using subcontractors, does that count? Yes, you can use subcontractors as a part of the list when it comes to putting everything together for your employees. They do have a list that you follow, and you can download that list, and the list, you can go step by step by step, will show you all the things you need. You're going to need your employees' driver's license or voter's registration card. They want to prove that they are employees, or you're going to need your contractors' voter's registration card or driver's license. They're wanting to see where they live. They want to have a location. So you are going to have to give some type of identification with that employee's information. They're also going to want to know about your payroll. If you're talking about these are actual employees or subcontractors, you're going to want to know about your payroll. There's a couple other things on the list that you're going to need. If you are interested in that HUBZONE list, then make sure that you actually go to our Facebook group, and we have that information on our Facebook group. You can find the link in the description of this video. Now, what I'm going to show you now, the process, they are really doing a lot. They're actually making sure that you get the program. Takes about 60 days after you have put in your application. It takes about 60 days, and all of the HUBZONEs are actually frozen. That means that they are staying where they are now through June 30th, 2023. HUBZONE, really great cert, very well deserved to look into to see if this is something that would fit you. The other thing is, on the sma.gov federal contracting assistance program, you can actually find your business on the HUBZONE map, enter your address. So you can put in your small business to see. The map is going to look something like this. And I will show you what the map looks like. And this is what the map is going to look like. This is an actual HUBZONE map. It has the ledger over here where you can see where you are. You can actually, which I showed you previous, put in the actual address of where your principal business is located, and you can see if you are in a HUBZONE, and then fill out all the rest of the paperwork, the application, and you may be able to do some set-asides for HUBZONE. Well, if you want to learn more about grants and small business administration and all about finding cleaning contracts with the government, guess what you can do, including certification, Woman-Owned Small Business, 8A, certs, do you qualify, what do you need, the list, so on and so forth. you can actually sign up for my free workshop masterclass this Wednesday, 12 noon Eastern time. Space is limited. We only take up to like 25 people per masterclass. So why do we do that? Because we love to be able to have time for questions and answers. So make sure you sign up. We have them every Wednesday for all about what you need to do to win government cleaning contracts. And that's facility services, which covers trash, landscaping, all of that is all about the facilities. And if you're in janitorial, of course, that as well. Sanitizing, disinfecting, maid service, housekeeping, all of that is what we do. When we go into everything for federal contracts, what you need to do with your state, your local, getting registered with SAMs, the changes in SAMs, all of that we walk through, and we love to have time and room for questions. So we keep you on no more than about 45 minutes to an hour. I promise, pinky promise. And I'd love to see you there. So sign up in the description if you wanted to know how can you make the 6 figures in government cleaning contracts. If you want to know what you need to do to scale your business doing commercial, then tomorrow, Thursday, I will go into the same thing, giving you all of the details on what you need to do. Love to see you there. Once again, space is limited. Make sure you click in the description so that you can actually join us and learn everything you need to scale your business using government or commercial to 6 figures and beyond. Wow. So looking forward to seeing you there. Until the next video, be safe and take care. And until next time, I will look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.